Oh, you're putting it on the car? Okay.
Putting it on.
Pascal, do you want the marker?
Line McQueen.
Want some more marker? That's good.
Decorated.
I wouldn't, yeah, don't touch it. That's good job.
There.
Good job. How about over here? Make big. No, not on your clothes. Pascal. How about here? On the paper over here. Well, that's good too. Good job.
$11.99. 11.
The marker.
$11.99.
It's okay. We'll wash it off later. It's okay. We'll wash. No problem. It's washable markers. Oh, but
What?
you should, huh? It's washable markers because he shouldn't get used to putting it on his. Because some markers are not. All done? Okay. All done? All done. Nice artwork. Let's see what Amr is doing. He's doing car art.
That's a collision.